Good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome back to online classes of St. Thomas School. And this video is on the maths of class 8. So now, let us start with the lesson number 11. Mensuration. It means to take the measurement. Now we have learned how to find out the area and how to find out the perimeter for different region or for different shapes. Okay. So perimeter, that is a distance around its boundary. The area covered by the border, that is a perimeter of any shape. And area, that is a space, region covered by it, that is a area. And we learnt about triangles, rectangles, circles. Okay, how to find the perimeter and area. Now here in this chapter we'll learn about some different figures, some plain closed figures like quadrilaterals. Okay. Now here one topic is given, that is let us recall. So this is very important. So now let's see. As you can see here, one figure is given. That figure is of rectangle. Here rectangle is given. Inside it one more rectangle is given. Okay. And here these two are flower beds. It is also in the shape of rectangle. This is a figure of a rectangular park whose length is 30 meter and width is 20. So this is a rectangular park. This outer border we will see, outer line, that is a full rectangle. Its length is 30 and width is 20 meter. First one, what is the total length of fence surrounding it? Fence. If you want to find out the length of fence, then you have to find out the perimeter of this rectangle, because that fence will surround this rectangular from the outer side. So if you will find the total length of this boundary, then that is the length of a fence. So here it is written, to find the length of fence, we need to find the perimeter of this park, which is 100 meter. Now all of you know how to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Formula is there, 2 into L plus B. It means 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into 30 plus 20. So 2 into 50 is equal to 100. Okay, here it's given 100 meter. First concept. Now second concept is that how much land is occupied by the park. Now to find out this land occupied by this park, we need to find out the area of this park. Area of rectangular park. L into B, length into breadth. It means 30 into 20. So it's a 600 meter square. That is the area. Third concept, there is a path of 1 meter width running inside along the perimeter of the park that has to be cemented. Here one path is given, that is inside the rectangular park along with the perimeter. So you can see this is the path. This shaded, the portion I am shading right now, that is a path. Okay. And that has to be cemented. So if one bag of cement is required to cement 4 meter square area, then how many bags of cement would be required to construct the cemented path? Okay. Now you have to find out the number of cement bags used to construct the cemented path. So how much bags required? How many bags that you have to find out? That is first of all you have to find out area of this path, divide by area cemented by one bag. Okay. So area of this path you have to find out minus area cemented by 1 bag. Now area of this cemented path, how to find out? Area of park minus area of park not cemented. Area of this rectangular park minus area of this park. From this 600 meter square, you need to subtract this shaded area of this shaded portion. So you will have this this path area of this path. Okay. Now how to find out? Here it is given this path is 1 meter wide. Okay. This path is 1 meter wide. So everywhere it is a 1 meter wide from all four sides. So what is the area of outer rectangular? That is a 600 minus area of this inner rectangle. Okay, how to find out? So what is the length of this inner rectangle? Okay, just look at this 30 meter and this length will be 28. Why? Because here from both sides 1 meter you have to subtract. Okay, because that path is of 1 meter wide. So 1 plus 1 2 meter you have to subtract. So this length is 28 and this width total will be of 18 because here 1 meter and here 1 meter of path that you have to subtract. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 you have to subtract from 20. So 28 into 18. That multiplication you have to subtract from the 600. So that is the area of this path. Divide by area cemented by 1 bag. So area of that part 28 into 18 divided by 4. So whatever answer after the simplification you will get, that will be the answer, number of bags required. And then the last concept, there are two rectangular flower beds of size 1.5 meter and 2 meter each in the park as shown in the diagram. And the rest has grass on it. Find the area covered by the grass. So two flower beds, remaining area that is covered by the grass. So here you have to find out the area of this flower beds minus area of this path and area of this total rectangular. Okay. So you have the area of rectangle, you have the area of this path and you have the area of this beds. All you have to subtract from 600. So you will get the area that is covered by the grass, this area. Okay. So in this lesson, all these concepts will be used to solve the examples. So I recommend all the students to learn this concept properly. In the next lecture, we will start from this exercise 11.1. Thank you.